Hi guys, welcome back to our Texas homestead. So it's like 8:15. I just got home from work, trying to figure out dinner. So we're just kind of throwing stuff together because I bought a package of coleslaw to make unstuffed cabbage roll in a bowl. But then I read the directions and it said I needed like 6 cups. So we're going to take the canned coleslaw I made before and make it out so I got enough cabbage. And then I don't have any onions, but I had frozen onion. So we're using that. So it's just kind of a hodgepodge today. So I had the oil heating up a little bit ago. So I'm going to throw the onion in there. It says like 2 small onions, I think is what it was. So that's about what that is. And then a couple tablespoons of garlic. I like garlic, so I'm going to add a 1/3. And we're going to get this cooked down. Shh! Quiet! And then usually it's made with hamburger meat or something, or I think it said ground turkey or chicken, which that was in the bottom of the freezer, but ground pork was on top, so I'm using that. Nope. Okay, so the onions have cooked down a little bit and the garlic. So now we're going to add the sausage. And one of them is just plain sausage and one of them is Italian sausage. So I got 1.5 cups of rice, and we're just going to get it cleaned. Basically just fill it up with water and, oh y'all can't see, and drain it out until it's pretty, the water's pretty clear. Yeah, it's real milky. And now you can see the water is a lot clearer. The rice is cleaned up. So now we'll go back and check on our meat. So you let the meat cook for like 5 to 10 minutes. So let me finish browning this up and I'll bring you back. Okay, so we're going to get the rice started. So we're going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil to the pan. Put it on medium. Then we're going to add the rice to it and saute the rice up for a couple minutes. And then in the other pot, the hamburgers been cooking for about 10 minutes, so we're going to add 2 teaspoons of paprika, and then 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. And let that all meld together. And we're going to stir up the rice in the oil. Let it cook for like 2 or 3 minutes. Does anybody know what cooking the rice does to it? Because it's like the same you got to do in rice-a-roni, but that has pasta in it. So does it just give it a little extra flavor? I always wondered. So we're going to add in 2 cups of chicken broth. And then a 15-ounce can and an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. And then bring it to a boil. And then with our meat, I think I'm gonna wait and add the cabbage when the rice is almost done. Otherwise the rice might cook too long. I mean the cabbage might cook too long. So I'm going to turn the meat off because our burners are way too hot. And then when the rice comes up to a boil, I'll turn it down to low and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. So when the rice gets done, I'll bring you back and we can put it all together. Okay, so the rice has about 10 minutes left to cook, so I'm going to get the cabbage going. So you just dump it in there with the meat. And then you're going to add half a tablespoon of salt, no, half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. And then we're going to just let the cabbage cook down while the rice finishes cooking. And the recipe does say for the rice to stir it every 5 minutes so that it doesn't end up sticking. So you can see the rice is just about done. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. Cabbage is cooked down. So we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, which I'm going to add 4 half tablespoons because I couldn't find the tablespoon. And then 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire, whatever, W sauce. Get that all mixed in. Let it cook down for a couple minutes. And then you can either add the rice to the cabbage and meat, or you can just serve the cabbage and meat on top of the rice. I think that's what I'm going to do tonight. And so then this is how the rice looks. And I'm going to let it cool down for a minute, and then I'll bring you back in and show you. So I got the rice, and then just put the cabbage on top. All the dogs here waiting for a bite. But, so, I let it cool off a little bit. But, pretty good dinner. So, if I would have thought about it, I already had hamburger meat canned up, so I wouldn't have had to cook the sausage. And then the coleslaw was pretty much already cooked since I used some of it that was canned. So all I really would have had to do was make the rice and dinner would have been done. So just remember, use whatever you got in your house. May not follow the directions exactly, but it turns out. And it's better than going out to eat and, you know, spending money where you already have spent the money at home. So anyways, we'll see you next time. Thanks.